Hey guys, this is our new letter for the week. This is the letter P, capital P, lowercase p. P says as in pig. So let's look at our story. The pig was eating some corn, and Miss Hendry was like, ugh. And then all of a sudden, he started spitting that corn out. And Miss Hendry said, ah, but he was spitting it out and it said, spitting that corn out at Miss Hendry. So some things that start with the sound are popcorn, pot, peach, and pig. So let's look how we write the letter P. Pull down with a hump, pull down. It's really a smile with a smile on the side. Pull down with a smile, and then our lowercase is a pull down with a smile under the dotted line. All right, guys, see you later.